Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm back with another tutorial on how to buy or swap the link token. So first of all, you're just gonna need a MetaMask account, which is a digital wallet. Here is the MetaMask. So let's say for example you don't have a MetaMask account, you'll find down below in our channel how to make a MetaMask account. So let's say you already have your MetaMask account, or you already created your MetaMask account. So all you need to do is just come here at the CoinMarketCap website, then go here to search, then type LINK. After that you press here at link or chain link. After that you go here to more, then press at this icon. This icon will copy the address of the link token on the Binance Smart Chain token. Make sure you follow my instructions so you do not get any scams, because if you get the wrong address you could buy another token. So just press here at this icon, it will copy the address, then go to the Pancakeswap website. After you do that, you will just come here to the trade section, then press swap. After that you need to connect your wallets first. How you can do that? Simply by clicking at here connect wallets, then choose your wallets that you're using. In our video we're using the MetaMask wallet. After that, if it's your first time connecting your wallet to a website, they will ask you to press another next and connect bucket, because I already connect my wallet here, they didn't ask me to do that. So all I need to do here is just press at K, then paste the address that I copied from CoinMarketCap, then press import. I understand, then import. So that's it, kind of. You'll just need here to enter the amount BNB that you want to swap. So let's say for example I want to swap 1 BNB, and it will give me this amount of link token. All I need to do is just press here at swap, and I will be all done. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you do like the video, please leave a like down below and comment, and do not forget to subscribe.